folks, welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. Well, not really cooking, baking, not actually in the oven, on the stove top, and in this bowl. What are we making this week? We are making creamy, crunchy Oreo fudge. So prep time, 5 minutes, cook time 15, so total of 20, maybe a little bit longer doing the video. What do we have for ingredients? We have 6 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of white chocolate melting wafers, or it says high quality chocolate chips. We got ours from the bulk barn. 2 cups of sugar, 1 5-ounce can evaporated milk, which is about 2/3 cup because that's more than 5 ounces. 10 large marshmallows cut in half, and 8 to 10 Oreo cookies chopped.
I'm eating gingerbread.
You're eating gingerbread, yeah. So, baking pan, 8x8 baking pan. Line it with parchment paper, just enough to cover all the edges and everything. So, in this large bowl, we are going to do our 6 tablespoons of salted butter.
So Cooking with Kevin will continue through December as one of the Vlogmas days each week. Not gonna.
Kind of hard to do that if we're doing our calendar.
Well, we can do your calendar. We can do the calendar on your video. Or they don't get to see those days. We're not going to do separate video. Like, we're not going to do 2 videos. We're going to stick with your Cooking with Kevin.
Well, that's if I do want everything.
Yeah. It's Christmas. You will.
Oh, will I? Thanks, boss.
You want to say hi, bro? Say hi. Not talking to your friends?
Being quiet?
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
Sitting there staring.
Alright, that is the butter. Vanilla. That's 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
I'll be back with you in just a sec.
Alright, that was my daughter. Okay, we put the teaspoon of vanilla in. Oh, wafers, 1 cup. And it's 1 cup. Remember, high quality chips melt faster. Yeah. So that is going to sit there. So in our saucepan, we're going to add the sugar, milk, and marshmallows. The first thing I got to do, marshmallows. Now I need 2 cups of sugar. Let's bring our nice saucepan over here. Yes, it's one of my new saucepans. But This is the 2/3 cups evaporated milk. And I'm gonna cut my 10 marshmallows in half.
All right. I'm going to bring them back when you're done cutting those.
Well, maybe I could talk as we're cutting.
Well, then talk.
Listen, camera lady, be the camera lady. I'm already at 3.
Oh, show everybody your new apron.
4.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So this was my birthday gift from Kelly. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so this is the birthday gift that Kelly had made for me.
Mm-hmm.
It was, I think she had originally done it for Christmas, and then I think she felt guilty. She didn't get me anything for my birthday.
Well, like I can go out shopping.
Could. You just choose not.
It's not like I can buy non-essentials
I know.
either. I suppose I could buy you some toilet paper and stuff if you'd like.
Yeah. Okay. Ah, sticking to my hand. All right, that is that. We're gonna leave that here. Now, with these, over medium heat, we're gonna bring it to a boil, and we're gonna whisk continually until the mixture reaches about 200. Now, I don't have a candy thermometer, so I'm gonna have to judge. So approximately 5 minutes constant boiling. Because once we're done that, we're gonna immediately pour it into this bowl and mix it up. Now, before I do that,
You broke.
yeah. Cheap old bags from Walmart.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, they're ready to go now.
Oh, Daddy was just beating up some cookies.
Yeah. So, oh, well, you got my list? Yeah, I do. Okay. So once that's up, starts going, bring everybody back. So we have about a minute left. As you can see, it's coming time to roll, but you have to keep stirring it, especially if you're using stainless steel, otherwise it will burn. So that's why you got to keep constant stirring. When you want it, it says 295. I don't have a thermometer, but we need it that, and that's in order to melt all those chocolate chips and everything.
Yeah, we need to buy a candy thermometer.
Okay, we are gonna lift, go over our bowl. You can see how, yeah, it is burnt a little bit, but not burnt. And we want to mix this up, stir it in until all that chocolate butter's melted and there's no lumps. You can see how it's getting nice and smooth. Yes, I gotta change because I've been using my right arm for the last 5 minutes. And you can see how it's starting to get thick.
Yum, yum.
And that think there's any lumps.
Doesn't look like it.
Nope. Now pour in the Oreos. Just kind of fold them in. Oh, this looks so delicious. Oh, I'm glad my doctor doesn't watch these videos. Okay. Now, yeah, the bowl's a little warm, but not too bad. Just gonna
Get all that goodness out of there.
Mm-hmm.
Your mom used to always make fudge at Christmas time.
Yeah. Butterscotch.
In the earlier years.
Yes, my mom used to do a lot of baking. And she just. That is it. Let that sit. We're gonna let it cool down. Once it has cooled down, we'll take it out of there, cut it up. Now, I read 20 different ways how to store it. I think probably it'll end up in the fridge.
That's
From what I read on the one, and I printed this off, but it just says you pour it in there once the pan's down, feel it for room temp, but store extras in foil or plastic wrap and inside a plastic bag for best results. Yeah, that's it, and it's a sticky gooey mess.
Preliminary taste test?
Oh.
Finger licking good.
So that's it for this Thursday cooking.
Well, we'll bring them back and do a taste test with it.
Oh, yeah, we will, because we can do that later. It should be cooled down. So, yes, later, it'll be dark outside after supper. We'll bring you back, taste test, so stay tuned. Fudge is done. The piece de resistance. But definitely have to keep it in the fridge, because even just now that, since I've taken it out, it's already starting to... I ain't gonna eat that whole piece.
No, I just want a little bite to try.
Yeah, so it smells like Oreos.
Get a bite, get a bite. You just said to not eat it all. Would you just give me a bite?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Delish. Are you speechless?
Yeah. Oh.
I think we need to give some to the neighbors.
Yep.
All right.
This is bad stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Anybody that's heard of the Christmas crack candy? Yeah. This is worse. Way worse. Yeah. Anyway, that is Oreo fudge. Yeah. I don't think I can have another piece until the new year now. Wow. All right. Well, stay tuned for next week's show. I'm not sure what we're doing. Well, I have an idea. I kind of know because I already went grocery shopping for it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Anyways, stay tuned for next week. And come on back.